clear the path to the processing area. Got the last ones coming down now.
Heart sounds are strong and steady. Record that as normal.
Noted, doctor. I'll prepare the blood samples now.
This one looks very healthy. All parameters are green.
Agreed. Let's move on to the next pen.
Heart sounds are strong. Record the body condition score as 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, noted.
The structural integrity looks sound. Confirmed. Ready for processing.
Automatic polishing machines begin spinning. Special compounds create a glossy shine.
Finished bracelets move to quality control. Experts inspect shape and finish. Any defects are removed immediately.
Finished boxes are packed into cartons. The cartons are sealed automatically. Shipping labels are applied accurately. Work